To delete the search history on YouTube, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, keeping up your search history clean on YouTube helps you protect the privacy and also keeps the recommendation relevant. Now, to do it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing what you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you just need to connect it and make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. So after that, you just need to open the YouTube app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, to delete the individual searches or clear the history, simply tap on the search icon like this, and after tapping on the search option, you'll see the list of the recent search which you have done. So you just need to simply swipe towards the left, or you may simply long press on it, and here you'll see the option of remove from search history. So click on the option of remove like this, and you may simply tap again like this and click on the option of remove like this. So that's it. That's how you can delete the search history on YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.